Hi, I'm Rati Chaudhary and I welcome you to my home. My husband and I are from North India. We have been in Mumbai for over a decade now, but this is our first house. We bought it last year. We always wanted a cozy setup, a house full of friends, and there are always parathas since we are Punjabis. The theme is mostly neutral. I love neutral canvases because that gives me a lot of scope to try splashes of colors and new things. I have tons of plants. It's a small house, but there is always space for my plant babies. I have 200 of them. They're all over. They're in the house and on small balconies. Some are even older than Maya. So this is the entryway and I wanted to have some meaning. This was an old cupboard that was here. It was a regular wooden cupboard, but I wanted the whole rattan thing, so I got it painted in a pastel color. This of course is from Chumbak. It just adds a little bit of touch to the pastel bench. So this is my dining area. When we moved here, all the wood and everything was brown, dark brown. There was veneer. This particular table holds a very special place in my heart. This cupboard also was made from old wood. It's full of my ceramic stuff. I do a lot of tablescapes, so I have a lot of dinner sets, ceramic. This is a bar. We made this out of an old cupboard, a very old style kitchen cupboard, and we got these slots made for bottles inside, and then I had only bought it like 8 years ago for $2,000 and then I keep on repainting it. So this is our living space, living area where we chill most of the time. The sofas I recently got made, the fabrics from JNY Fabric, and I never usually go with prints, but they convinced me that I should try print, so here we are. I've got an armchair made out of print as well, lovely botanical print. This table has a very nice story. So it was a study table and I didn't need that study table. We already had one and this was of previous owners. So I chopped the legs and made it a coffee table, and that solved the purpose. We needed a coffee table as well. In this room particularly, I've tried to use blush pink and shades of pink. This is sort of like an Indian corner that I've created. This particular candle stand is from La Muse. The dhoop stands, of course, from Fab India. It has a very Fab India look. Come, let me show you my master bedroom now, also known as my home office. So in my master bedroom, I essentially wanted shades of grey and white and a bit of blue. There are tons of lamps to create the cozy feeling, tons of books in my house. That's a consistent theme, you can see them everywhere. I got this whole unit made. It's made from teak wood. It doubles up as a TV unit and also my makeup area and also my work from home area. On weekdays, this converts as a home office. There are tons of dreams that I have with this house and things that I want to do. Bamboo blind was one of them. I absolutely love bamboo blinds, so this had to come here in my room balcony. There's a bamboo lamp here and I put these lights on Diwali. As I said, I have 200 plant babies. They're all over the house. But I also needed some space, so I put a chair because when I want to take a break, I just come and sit here and just look outside. Or if it's raining, now it's monsoon, it gets beautiful. Taking you to our guest room now, which is almost always full. When we moved here, the woodwork was veneer, very old style veneer, which I didn't like. So I got everything painted. This particular light is my favorite lamp. It's from Voilite. This particular bookend is from Fab India. It was a gift from a very dear friend. These frames are called Tikri Art. This one is from Inara. It's a brand from Jaipur. This particular chair I got again from Jaipur, from Kashtkari Furniture. I quite love it. It has that rattan accent, which is very, very in. It's very sturdy. There's a balcony beyond it and you can see there are more plants there. So that was our little home. Thank you so much for watching. For more such DIY homes, you can follow LBB on YouTube and as well as on Instagram. See you later.